Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Unlock it and make sure battery is above 20% so the phone won't shut down mid-change. Once done, back up settings or create a quick restore point so you can revert. Now open settings and go directly to lock screen or biometrics and security depending on your Samsung model. You do this because emergency options live under lock screen controls. Accessing the correct menu first saves time and avoids toggling unrelated options. Next, navigate deeper. Tap lock screen settings or secure lock settings and look for emergency call shortcuts or contact info on lock screen. You're locating the specific toggle or widget that adds the emergency call button to the keypad. Once found, toggle the emergency call shortcut off or edit the lock screen widgets to remove that button. Make sure to confirm changes. Some models require you to save or tap back twice. You do this to prevent the emergency call from appearing on the keypad when locked. Finally, verify the change. Lock the device and wake the keypad to ensure the emergency call button is gone. If it still appears, check accessibility settings and secure folder. Both can re-enable emergency access or override lock screen widgets. If needed, restart the phone, then reopen lock screen settings and reset those options again. As a troubleshooting tip, if removal fails, temporarily change the lock type, PIN right arrow pattern, right arrow none.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.